Hey, good morning, students. Today we will study another theorem, and as you know that I will make three videos, and I will guide you step by step. But the most important thing that in the theorems, first of all, you can understand the concept of the statement, कि आपको statement कैसे given होगी. तो first of all I will write a statement. So the statement is any point sorry uh, any point on the right bisector on the right bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoints. So first of all we will understand this statement, and it is clear that any point on the right bisector of a line segment. First of all we will study the what is the line segment, and how can I make this is the line segment, and we have to draw the right bisector of a line segment. This is the right bisector of a line segment. It means कि ये एक लाइन है, लाइन सेगमेंट है, इसका आपने ये राइट बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. ठीक है, राइट बाइसेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है, दैट दीज टू लाइंस आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, दिस वी कॉल्ड अ बाइसेक्टर. अच्छा, बाइसेक्टर का मतलब ये होता है कि इफ दिस इज अ 4 सेंटीमीटर लाइन, सो 2 सेंटीमीटर इज हेयर, 2 सेंटीमीटर इज हेयर. ये नहीं हो सकता सर, ये लाइन है सर, ये भी तो इसका बाइसेक्टर है, लेकिन ये इसका बाइसेक्टर नहीं कहलाएगा, ये इसको मीट कर रहा है इस खास पॉइंट. बाइसेक्ट मीन्स, बाय मीन्स टू, dividing into two sectors, that is called the bisector. So this we call the bisector. Any point means you can take any point here. So this point is equidistant from this end points. So I hope you can understand the statement that if there is a line segment, it is clear here that line segment का आपने you have to take the right bisector, means the straight line, and you have to take a point on the right bisector. This right bisector का ये जो point है, this is equidistant from these end points. So we have to just write the names. A, B, C are the points, and this is a point here, so we will write P here. So first of all understand the statement as well as the concept. So kindly watch this video, and if you have any questions send it to me. Thank you.